ये दुआ कर रहे थे कि उतनी जो मांगी थी ना उतनी ना हो, लेकिन इतनी जो लग रही।
Please, हमारे producer को कुछ मत कहिए सलमान. There was a guy there. Yeah.
Continuing on that note.
Yes. So
Hello.
सवाल क्या था तुम्हारा यार?
Hello.
As a producer, हाँ. As a producer, me having myself as a producer was a very safe bet.
So will the box office collection matter now since you are the producer? Matter more.
I think it will matter. अगर चल गई बहुत चली तो it will matter. It will matter. Hugely matter. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो it will hugely matter. See.
Okay.
Hello,
Salman here.
Hi.
Just one sec. We've got 2 mics. बोली लग रही है सलमान.
ये सब बातें हैं. I mean, एक किसी ने पूछा था कि हमसे कि यार ये क्या लगता है इसे बहुत बड़ी हिट होगी. अब वो हुई नहीं इतनी बड़ी हिट. तो ये दुआ कर रहे थे कि उतनी जो मांगी थी ना उतनी ना हो, लेकिन इतनी जो लग रही है ना उतनी भी ना हो. Realistic.
I think that's quite accurate.
Yeah. Salman?
Mr. Salman Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, I have a question here. I'm Hitesh from Bangalore. It would be I know that there's a song called Selfie Le 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 from this movie. But can I please have, and I humbly request, can I please have a selfie with the both of y'all? Please, it's a humble request.
We'll do photo
please,
ops
just
later.
one selfie, just one.
No, I'll tell you what we'll do. I think
one,
this is
just
going to
one.
open another Pandora's
No,
box.
I wouldn't. I promise. I'll take it on behalf of everybody, and I'm not going to.
Really?
One second.
Okay, 1 second.
One second. There is a Kareena Kapoor and there is Salman Khan standing right there. You can take it with them as well.
Okay, just hold it.
Bhai.
Okay, we'll do this. Let's just finish
The
the
song is not
questions.
selfie. It's a Ele Le Le Re.
Hi.
We just changed it.
First of all, congratulations. जो यहाँ पे आपके
बैंगलोर से इसलिए आए हो? कार्ड दिखाओ.
I'm a tax consultant at
Salman.
I've come all the way. My Jiju works at Eros, and I had to come.
Okay, we'll figure this out at the end. All right, there's a question here.
मैं शुरू करूँ सलमान? हाँ. मेरा सवाल ये सलमान कि जो रिएक्शन मिले हैं यहाँ पे, तो ऐसा तो लगता है कि इस साल की ईद जो है वो सलमान के नाम होगी. लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि पहले जो है सुहेल खान प्रोडक्शन, दूसरा अरबाज खान प्रोडक्शन, अब क्या ज़रूरत होगी कि सलमान खान प्रोडक्शन खोलने की आपको?
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा.
बात तो सही है यार. एक अतुल का भी प्रोडक्शन है. सोहेल खान के बच्चे सोहेल खान के.
टैक्सेस ज़्यादा
मेरे तो नहीं है. अरबाज खान के बच्चे अरबाज खान के. मेरे तो नहीं है. बेबी के बच्चे अतुल बेबी के. अबे तो
You asked for it. You were a sitting duck.
प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट किया है फिल्मों से. इसको चलने दो. उसके बाद वहां पर लाइन लगा देंगे.
इंशाल्लाह. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
विजुअलाइज मत करना कोई.
Salman, on your left, on your right.
Yeah.
It's said that to work with animals and kids, it's quite difficult. And your work, you will be with the kid 24/7 if we see the entire frame. How was it working with the baby, with a small little one?
She is like, she's so beautiful. Yeah, she's like a delight to work with. I mean, I absolutely loved every moment with her on screen and the space that we shared. And she's such a beautiful girl. वो अनोखी है. एक ही piece बनी है. I think what she does, off screen and on screen, is to people is something unbelievable. She's the most gorgeous, the most beautiful child that I have ever met.
She threw any tantrums on sets?
Yes, that too.
And you had to face.
But that is a part of being that. When I at this age have not understood, I still throw them.
Salman,
Thank
sir.
you.
Salman, sir, here. In the middle.
Yeah.
Salman, sir.
दाढ़ी काली हो गई तेरी?
Salman, sir, here in the middle. Sakhi here from Times Now. Congratulations on the trailer. We've been waiting to meet you, for a long time, and the kind of response that you've received so far has been amazing. And the kind of support that you've received from your fans and the audience also through the
सवाल पे आ जाओ ना.
it's also through the proceedings has been amazing, but the promotions of the movie are going to coincide with the High Court case proceedings as well. Any apprehension, any thoughts on that?
No, we don't want to go to discuss that. We're discussing Bajrangi
Salman,
Bhaijaan. So the gentleman over there whose dadi is now half.
But
Come
I
on.
think she's just asking if it kind of affects the promotions of Bajrangi. He's not asking about
How
it.
sweet you are, yaar.
Thank you so much. Thank
क्या
you, sir.
बात करने का क्या अंदाज है यार आपका?
try.
Salman, you said
Yeah,
the
your
little
question,
girl.
please.
Salman, you said the little girl is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
And yeah,
Right
Litika.
there. Yeah.